Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Yo, do pew pew. You better not be recording me, man. Mom milkshake brings to the boys to the yard. Hey, cuties, y'all hit me up. No, I'm joking. Don't hit me up.
Yeah, don't hit him if he has a girl.
I mean,
she bullies us though. So obviously, truck got new wheels. They're the newer model LTZs. These came off of a 2019 Silverado. The guy only had them on for a month and took them off. So I got these for a really good deal because he wanted to have them gone. We come out here.
My thong, watch. Oh.
I have stumbled upon a new project. It is a 2004 GMC Yukon Denali. This is my new daily and project. I'm not gonna make this a race truck or anything like I'm gonna be doing with the red one. This is gonna be more of like a show car. I'm gonna do little things for now. Get new wheels, black out the windows, get an Ivan sticker, gotta get a new mirror. I got this one just like I got that one from the auction, but I got a really good deal on it. So all the electrical stuff works, has a aftermarket deck in it, the TV still works. It's pretty nice. It's just the driver's seat's a little ripped up, all the leather's in good shape. I'm gonna get a new headliner, but just little things. This is my new daily / project that I'll bring to the channel. And about my truck, for the tailgate, as you know, me and my friend sent me wrap this in his garage, and you can tell that it's starting to come off. We're not professional at wrapping this, but we did pretty good from a distance. You can't tell. You guys should let me know down in the comments if I should re-wrap it like the sticker bomb look, or I should get a different design, because I want to stay with the wrap tailgate. And I'm gonna go step side on the bed, and then I'm gonna get the whole truck repainted. I don't know if I want to get it repainted this color red again or gunmetal gray. I'm not sure, but yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think I should wrap my tailgate in, because I want to do something crazy and like switch it up every now and then. And on the Denali, I'm gonna get it painted the same color red as my truck, but instead of it just being red, I'm gonna have a metallic white flake that goes through it, and gonna get black interior. But that's later on down the road. This is definitely gonna be like the SEMA build or something like that, but for right now it's just a daily / travel vehicle. I mean, it runs strong, it's not leaking, no ticking, no knocking or anything. Has 181,000 miles on it. Same motor that's in my Denali is the same one that's in this. I bought a wrecked Escalade that had 185,000 miles on it on the 6.0, but obviously we rebuilt it, put a cam in it. But soon after I get done with my mom's, the black Dodge, this is going to be the next big project on the channel. So yeah, I'm really excited to get started on this, but first things first, I have to get my mom's truck out of the way, because I don't want to start tearing this apart and then still have her truck apart.
Should I go lift it or drive my 2008 GMC?
What y'all guys think about Ivan's truck? Should we bring this as a project to the channel as well as the Denali, my truck and my mom's truck, it'd be a good, make it like a,
I'm thinking of dropping it.
nah, it's a 4x4, you should lift it.
Thinking of getting a 2020 Denali and then dropping this one.
No, you should lift this one. For being a four-wheel drive, lift it.
Or get a 2001 single cam Chevy.
Like mine.
Yeah, and then dropping that one.
But you should definitely keep this in.
Yeah.
You should lift it and then powder coat the underneath. Let us know down in the comments if you think we should bring this to the channel as a project. Think it would be make a good project for the channel?
Yeah. I'm poor though. So
but yeah, it's definitely the next big project to the channel. The Denali is gonna be like here and there. But after I get done with my truck, it's definitely when I'm gonna start working on the Denali, since that's my daily. And then we are gonna be putting coilovers on my mom's BMW. I wanna put coilovers on it. She doesn't want it slammed, but I'm gonna lower it about an inch all the way around, and then maybe get some good black wheels. And she wants to wrap it rainbow chrome. Let me know down in the comments what y'all think about that. If we fix this car up, nothing too fancy, but this is my mom's daily driver too, and just made this car look really nice. Even though it is a BMW, I hate working on it, but it is a nice car. It's definitely the nicest one we have. We got that for a really good deal from the same place we got my truck and the Denali. My mom's friends hooked it up. Definitely gonna be bringing more content, since this is the second actual vlog and it's not an actual like work vlog. If you guys liked it and enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe. See you.